Everyone, please welcome SUSE Chief Executive Officer, D.P. van Leeuwen.
SUSE AI is purpose-built for the sovereign business. That's why our AI platform is attracting the most exciting partners in this incredible area of tech. And talking about that, today I am delighted to tell you that SUSE is announcing SUSE AI Factory with NVIDIA. This is our unified enterprise AI solution. It's built on SUSE AI and NVIDIA AI Enterprise. We bridge local development to scalable enterprise production. It operates as a turnkey digital factory for AI capabilities. You can deploy and govern AI from the edge all the way to the public cloud. So I'm very proud and very happy to welcome John Fanelli, VP of Enterprise Software at NVIDIA, on stage right here with me. Thanks for coming, John. And I know it was a bit of a endeavor to get here with the strikes in Europe.
Yes, thank you for having me. There was a few complications at the airport, but definitely worth the effort to be here. I'm super excited to be in Prague.
Well, thanks for being here. So, John, can you tell us a little bit about the partnership from NVIDIA's point of view?
Sure. So we're really excited about today's announcement. SUSE AI Factory with NVIDIA really combines the best of both companies, right? So everything from SLES16 and Rancher Prime through the NVIDIA technology at the infrastructure level to harden the infrastructure with Run AI and our GPU operators. The whole idea of open models with our Nemotron models and our NIMs, and then jointly we've been building blueprints on top of that to simplify it for customers. So the product itself is really fantastic.
I can see you're excited about it. But what is also interesting is, why is this sort of deal important for NVIDIA?
Well, it's a lot of what you were describing earlier in your 5 areas of innovation. So we have fantastic solutions, of course, out in the public cloud, but we're seeing what you're seeing. We're seeing a lot more customers who want to take advantage of their data, deploy on-premise, right, as they move from POC to production, which is, can be very difficult. We get a great POC going, and then when they go to production, they want to run on-premise. Maybe they want to run hybrid. So this is really exciting for NVIDIA, for us to expand our market into the enterprise data center.
Yeah, makes sense. But if I may ask, why SUSE?
Well, again, we're aligned on so many things. So from open source all the way from the beginning, the ability to take our joint products into not only regulated industry, but also into sovereign deployments is an area where, again, we think it's super exciting, and the combination of the two companies is going to enable our customers to be successful.
Sovereignty again, right? It makes sense.
Yeah.
But it seems like we really built a deep partnership. And deep partnerships are often built on trust. How does that work between us? How did that go? We've had some months behind us of working on it.
We have. We didn't decide this morning to announce the product. We've been working on it for a while, and so it's sort of almost like a circle of trust if you think about it. So there's the work that we're doing together on the engineering side, and our engineers know that they can trust one another in terms of how they discuss the technology, how they build the technology. But also, when we go out and speak to customers together, we can deliver a great solution to customers where the customers can have trust that our joint solution will meet their needs. And then ultimately, every production solution requires support. And so we've got great trust between our support organizations and ultimately our customers.
Yeah, that's amazing. And when we have all this work done and where we are now, there's got to be a lot of opportunity in the future, right? How do you see that?
Absolutely. We, again, not to repeat over and over, but on-premise, data center deployment, hybrid deployments, sovereign AI, we really want to help our customers build enterprise AI factories within their own environment.
Right. Well, enough about this partnership, but now that I have NVIDIA on stage, I would like to hear, what are you guys doing next? What's the next announcement that you can sort of give to this?
There's a lot going on in NVIDIA. There are some things that I can announce, but some things that are coming, obviously our Vera Rubin platform. So if you're familiar with that, Vera is our new CPU, Rubin is our new GPU. Together, the Vera Rubin platform, it's a platform that is 7 chips when you start to bring in all the networking and our Grok LPU. So from a hardware perspective, it's all about Vera Rubin. From a customer software perspective, it's layering into that confidential computing, again, building into that sovereignty, being able to run your models locally, both open and frontier models. And then, of course, everybody's talking about claws, right? And so Claw is really an agentic solution that is long-running and autonomous. And so really, how do we secure that, make it enterprise production ready together using NVIDIA technologies like NeMo, Claw, and OpenShell?
That's really cool. Well, thanks, John, for being here. And by the way, tomorrow there's another keynote here on stage with Thomas, and you and Thomas will go into way more detail. So stay tuned, come back, because this is not over yet. It's only just beginning. Thanks, John.
Thank you.